working, I mean, I've managed to gain access to, and that's it, managed to gain access to a factory in Stockport, and I've found another air raid shelter. Here we go. This is going to be a sneak peek, because obviously we don't want to do it now. We want to come back in a week's time. Okay, let's go and have a look. Wow. Oh, you can smell it. So imagine all these people down here hiding from the German bombs. All those poor women. I'm getting really emotional because my gran was a woman. And if you look at the ceiling there, original World War II breeze blocks and original World War II concrete cast beams. So if you look around, there's no actual sign of anyone ever staying down here, but when you've been doing this for 5 minutes like me, you get a taste for it and you just know. Right, okay guys, that's enough for now. We'll be back next week to have a better look at this air raid shelter.